Hello everyone, Moshe the Electric Israeli on FSD. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. And if you're in the market to buy a Tesla, please use my referral code. I appreciate it. And I just want to tell you, I'm going to show you a scene, two scenes. That's really interesting. I just finished, I'm driving to Home Depot. Just finished making a video for my Israeli channel. And I was planning to, half of the way, it's about 20 minutes drive, 10 minutes Hebrew video and 10 minutes English video. But what happened, and I'm running to you right now. First of all, my car was in the garage. It's an underground garage. And I ignited the FSD from the underground garage. And the car approached the gate. It's a side-to-side gate. It got to the gate, it waited, and it exited the underground gate after the underground garage after the gate was open. Then I'm going to show you this scene. Then I was driving. I'm driving on. If you know South Florida, I'm in Lauderdale area. Then I was driving on A1A, South Ocean Boulevard, on A1A, making a right on a commercial boulevard right now. And there was a car in front of me, and all of it, the car in front of me didn't do anything wrong. The car in front of me was fine. And then some pedestrian just went into the road, and the car in front of me stopped abruptly like it should have. And the emergency braking, I've never experienced this. The emergency braking took over and blocked the Tesla. I could not even react. It happened so quickly. Now, I won't tell you, if the Tesla was first in line and a pedestrian was jumping into the road, Tesla would have stopped also. Because one thing about the FSD from its inception to today is the ability to be so careful for pedestrian, cyclists, or even animals. One time I had a deer. I live in New Jersey. I had a deer and it jumped in the middle of the road and the car stopped. In other words, what I'm saying, this car is extraordinarily safe when it's used the FSD. I am telling you, if you have it, use it. Okay? The car took charge and blocked, used the emergency brakes and blocked. Now, the only thing I ask, after that happened, I had to reignite the FSD again. What happened if this happened on a robotaxi, meaning there's no driver, and a situation like this happened? Does it goes to FSD? Does it go to autonomous driving by itself? Somebody from control center has to do it? What happens? That's what I'm asking. I don't know. I really don't know. Now, like I said, I made you so many videos from New York, New Jersey area where I live. And now we are in South Florida, okay? My wife and I came, we bought a condo here. And we're buying some furniture and all that stuff. And I'm driving here. I'm driving in Lauderdale, going towards Miami. The point is, what is so unique about this FSD system, that it can operate anywhere in the world, on any road in the world that has, the standard lanes, traffic lights, stop signs, whatever, crosswalks, whatever it is that you expect a road to have. That's what I don't think Tesla robotaxi is going to be winner takes it all, but it's definitely going to be winner takes it most. Because here it is. The most common one in the United States, it's Waymo, operating in 4 cities. Now it's going to be 5 in Atlanta. And it is geofenced. It cannot operate anywhere. It can't. There's no way areas more than certain parts of cities can be mapped for it's just not, I mean, like, everything is possible, but it's just not, it doesn't make any sense to do it. This system does not need mapping. This system does not need mapping. It just does it. Just does it. No problem. So it's going to go on I-95 South towards Miami, and it is operating as a human driver. I just drove it, my wife and I, from New Jersey to Florida, over 1,200 miles, over 2,000 kilometers. Nothing. It just drives it. Highway, DC area, Richmond, Virginia, what else we went through? Jacksonville, doesn't matter. Miami, Lauderdale, doesn't matter. It drives everywhere. It's not restricted by any kind of geofencing or nothing. It just drives. Now, will it be able to operate as a robotaxi? Has to do with regulation, insurance regulation, all those things, but not the technical part. Not the so we have a bus here on the side, picking up passenger. We're going to pass it, just like a human driver would, and then we're going to go over the other line, and then we take the exit. It's unbelievable. Well, it is believable. It is really believable because I experience everything. I am telling you guys, if you have a Tesla, AI4, not AI3. I have an AI3, my Model 3 2021. I have an FSD there. It's good, but it's not even close to this. Not even, there's no contest. This is completely and totally autonomous. Completely and totally autonomous. Then we're going to go on the highway, we're going to go to Home Depot, buy some stuff, go back. It doesn't matter. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.